Welcome to my live stream, and today I'm getting new project BMB. So now I'm talking about that BMB project. So welcome to my live stream, everyone. So please stay with me and also like, follow, and share my live stream. So that's why I'm telling you, everyone, like, follow, and share my live stream, everyone. So that's why I'm telling you, focus on my live stream, everyone. That's why I'm telling everyone. So welcome to my live stream, and please stay with me and like, follow, and share my live stream, everyone. Trading check is to enjoy up to 110 USDT worth of BMB rewards. Simply join and start earnings with case. Join now. So now I'm already hit and click in join now button. An event period November 13, 2025, 6 November 19, 2020 per 16 UTC. New user guideline number 1, how to complete identity verification. Number 2, how to make deposit on gate. Number 3, how to trade on gate. And newcomer exclusive trade $1 in BMB Sport, get 2 USDT airdrop during the camping. Newly registered users who complete their first BMB USDT sport trade at sport trade of at least $1 will instantly receive $2 worth of BMB airdrop, limited to the first 2000 users. Rewards will be auto credited first come first serve. Benefit 1, newcomer bonus first deposit reward of 3 USDT. Registers user who make their first deposit of any token worth at least $100 must be held of at least 24 hours will receive 3 worth BMB airdrop. Limited to 1000 users. Reward will be auto credited first come first serve. Benefit 2, first future trade extra 5 USDT reward user who complete their first future trade of any token with trading volume at least 1000 will receive an additional $5 worth of BMB airdrop. Limited to 2000 users. Reward will be auto credited first come first serve. Benefit 3, holding and trading challenge unlock 27,000 VMB prize pool. During the camping, all users can start the BMB USDT spot trading to participate in the VNB holding challenge. At the end of the camping, 27,000 worth of BMB will be distributed based on total BMB holdings ranking. Total BMB holdings. BMB reward per user. Number of winners 1000 15 BMB to 2500 winners, and $5,000 holding 20 BMB per user, 2000 winners. $10,000 50 BMB reward per user, 1400 winners. 50,000 VMB holding, $50,000 VMB holdings, 100 BMB reward per user, and 5 100 of winners. $1 lakh holding 350 reward per user, 150 number of winners, and last of number $5 lakh BMB holdings total 1000 BMB reward per user, 20 winners, number of winners. Okay, so get vault, protect your assets starting with the get vault and experience the new MPC security protection system. Experiences multiplier security protection now. Notes: number 1, participants must click the join now button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification to receive rewards. Number 2, during the event period, the trading volume is calculated as the sum of buy and sell volumes. Number 3, rewards will be distributed in BMB tokens. Tax rewards will be auto-credited after tax completion. Holdings reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the camping ends. Rewards are given on the first come first served basis. If you find that the reward has not been credited, it means all rewards have been claimed or you do not meet the tax requirement. Number 4, the new user in the new user offer refers to a user who registered within the last 15 days and has never traded futures before. For benefit 1, new user refers to a user who has never made a deposit since registering. For users who complete their first BMB USDT spot trade of at least $1 will instantly receive $2 or of BMB Airdrop limited to the first 2000 user. Reward will be auto credited first come first serve. Okay, it's very good. And 100 BMB Airdrop benefit 1, newcomer bonus first deposit reward or 3 USDT. Registered users who make their first deposit of any token worth at least $100 must be held at least 24 hours will be $3 worth of BNB airdrop limited to 1000 users. Reward will be auto credited first come first serve. Okay, it's very good. So 182 BNB airdrop benefit 2, first future trade extra 5 USDT reward. Users who complete their first future trade of any token with trading volume at least 1000 will be received and additional $5 worth of BMB airdrop limited to 2000 users. Reward will be auto credited first come first serve. It's very good opportunity in this token. And benefit 3, holding and trading challenge, unlock 27,000 BMB price pool. During the camping, all user can start the BMB USDT spot trading to participate in the BMB holding challenge at least end of the camping. 27,000 worth of BMB will be distributed based on total BMB holdings rankings. View more. Okay, all over in here. And notes: number 1, participant must click the join now button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification to receive rewards. Number 2, during the event period, the trading volume is calculated as the sum of buy and sell volumes. Number 3, rewards will be distributed in BMB tokens. Tax rewards will be auto credited after tax completion. Holdings reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the camping ends. Rewards are given on the first come first serve basis. If you find that the reward has not been credited. It means all rewards have been claimed or you do not meet at the tax requirement. Number 4. The new user in the new user offer refer to a user who registered within the last 15 days and has never traded future before. For benefit 1, new user refer to a user who has never made a deposit signs registering. For benefit 2, new user refer to a user who has never traded spot signs registering. The daily check in period of from 000 to 23:59 UTC. Number 5. After the user click complete now to perform the relevant action, the task status and data will be updated progressively within 1 and 2 hours. Number 6. Market makers, corporate and institutional accounts, affiliate agent account are not eligible to participate in this event. Number 7. If the user participate in other activities on Gate simultaneously, they can also receive the rewards from this event. Number 8. The use of duplicate account and any other cheating behaviors such as inflation of trading volume, bulk registration of fake account, self-trading order matching. Number 86 are strictly prohibited. One user within sub account and master account and multiple account within same identity information will be demanded as the same one user. Will the trading volume of sub account would be counted as that of master account, and sub account are not eligible to participate in this event. Number 9. Where any discrepancy areas between the translated version and original English version, the English version shall prevail. Number 10. Get reserved all right to the final explanation. Number 11. This event is not affiliated with Apple and number 12. User to the United Kingdom and other restricted location cannot access the services including participate in this event game of competition. You see the user agreement for further details on restricted location. Okay, it's very good. Okay, and now I'm going to BMB. Just wait and watch, everyone. Just wait and watch, everyone. It's our BMB token, and I'm talking about that in BMB, everyone. So everyone, and also stay with me and like, follow and share my live stream, everyone, right? And I'm talking about that VMB. Okay, I hope you understand, everyone. And also like, follow and share my live stream, everyone. Also like, follow and share my live stream, everyone. Okay, this is the BMB token in situation and right now. Okay, everyone, Just look at this. So BMB. Okay, it's very good. It's a newborn token is talk about that BMB. So don't worry everyone, and also like, follow and share everyone. So right now I'm talking about that is BMB. So I'm talking about that is BMB USDT and BMB token. So that's why I'm right now it is going to BMB. Okay, finally I found this BMB. Okay, very good. This is our BMB official website. Everyone, look at this. This is our BMB official website. Compute Capital Markets Bimball's network is decentralized infrastructure protocol, turning compute into tradable asset class with exciting demand. I hope you understand everyone. And look at this, the cumulative API calls, 11 million plus monthly API calls, 6,200 plus developer sign-ups, 95 plus customers. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to white paper, official white papers. Welcome VMable network. Welcome to VMable Foundation documentation and repository. Here you will get an overview of public documentation about a VMable DPIN. Okay, just look at this everyone. Essential white paper. Key concept relating to our decentralized physical infrastructure network and BMB token. Okay. And roadmap. Community BMB airdrop rules. Get involved in the community token. Airdrop by completing queues and earnings a ticket. Alpha checker. Note save information about the first 3000 checker. So that's the reason I'm telling you this everyone. Focus on my live stream. I'm talking about that official BMB project in token, this BMB. And now I'm next roadmap. So pass one hydrate lift off public roadmap announcement TGA community airdrop criteria of BMB public. Pass to neon signal. So alpha node cell distribute, alpha node license NFTs, security audits of token smart contract, BMB token pre-sale around, BMB community around, snapshot, airdrop platform launch and claim, announce workload node suppliers, pass 3 argon expansion. Public checker node sell, distributed checker node license NFT as node buyers, checker node launch, worker node Livelines dashboard launch. DAO activated. Launch order book V1 for game compute workload. Implement on-chain payment settlement. Add worker competition checks. Launch the public dashboard for the project. Pass 5. Xeon Enforcement 2026 Question 1. Activate slashing mechanism. Announce a Security Council of Governance. Activate worker node reputation. Upgrade water block to V2 matching criteria. Pass 6. Ozone scale and migration 2026. Migrate BMB compute workload from cloud providers to BMB networks. Upgrade water block to V3 matching criteria. Pass 7. Fusion ecosystem. I hope you understand, everyone. And then launch creator ecosystem, activate creator royalty payment, launch partner workload, migration incentives, and next white paper. White paper. So gaming is a 200 billion plus dollars per user global market with billions of end user hold worldwide. One of the most complex aspect of a business is that games are no longer simply software. They are live services in which game are maintained online and often generate revenue as people continue to consume them. Game companies spend billions of dollars on cloud-based infrastructure-backed technology and simulate development effort to supply this business model. These initiatives often come with massive amounts of risks, technical debt, and deeper dependencies on centralized providers who can distribute this operation of games. And now Beamball. So Beamball is creating the first decentralized physical infrastructure network depend to support the backed and live services requirement of game developers. Our network is built around several principles. Okay. Sustainability of the network thought decentralized ownership of physical infrastructure, de-risking the network for all the game of it, compatibility of software built on top of the network, enabling ecosystem of third-party plugin with built on scalability. These modules add value to all games on network while providing revenue incentives of independent back developers. Enterprise grade infrastructure nodes to ensure that the network delivers the high quality of services and performance necessary for the most demanding game. Superior unit account in Contomics result from the network's ability pure gaming, workload and appropriate and cost optimized compute provides an absorb burst traffic by aggregating across large network capacity and standardization of workflow development process and data object help to assist game development velocity and predictability on reliability. And now, game are most important from the Atlas media category in the 21st century. There are 3.3 billion players of games, a number that will continue to grow, fueled by rapid explanation in empowering economics as well as new business model and new media ins game have been become driven traditional media just as new hit shows including Fallout reaching an audience of the over 65 million viewers in the first 2 weeks have provided. And so with the number of online games of dramatically expanded, nearly 90,000 games will launch on Steam and the leading PC game distribution platform in 2023. Mobile games are not even more prolific with over 7 lakh on Google Play and iOS App Store, live service and eating gamings. In a pool of over 500 games and studios, 95% of them already operating on instantly release a live services game. A live services game are those with a light competition, unlike features and range of the simple association content updated or competitive features of complex complicated and social system real-time interaction of virtual economics and live feature increase a game key and metrics retention revenue and engagement and are here to say. And in the past game, a studio built their own live services technology. This is how games like would be Warcraft and League of Legends were built. These companies were pioneers and few explains predicted them it cheating and infrastructure frequency cost tens and millions of dollars. A 24 Regis report estimated the average cost and approximately 22 million per studio. Studio prefer buying and building. So look at this, everyone. So it makes sense and of its studio to buy their live services technology instead and building and themselves in a market where funding and development and facility are paramount. The risks and cost of the homebrew solution and often too significant. Studios see many reasons to buy, improving their development and velocity. It's a time to market and improving stability and standardization cost reduction and avoidance of technical debate. And early gaming back technology companies emerged in 2015 including PlayHub and now part of Microsoft and GameSpark subsequently and discontinued by Amazon, and subsequent products have been offered and alternatives by that all contain centralized dependencies of values kind. Sometimes probably codes are sometimes dependencies of specific infrastructure providers, and BMB has taken of different approach compared to other backed technology vendors. One focused on extensibility and interoperability. Version 1.0 has released studio that and shipped live games 20 million players and size faster. BMB has opened it to ecosystem to third-party developers to build extensions to its platform. The next stage in BMB is to remove centralized and dependencies to compute suppliers. And now, okay, everyone, and you can ask me any question. Please write the comment section. everyone, and also like, follow, and share, everyone. So like this, everyone, and now big technology has leaked behind developers and caught between difficult choose for making a live services game by commercial 3D engines plus built expensive risky backend. High rent limited expansion platform such as Roblox by commercial 3D engine by license by backend. So the latter option buying to technology appears to yield the most economic and risk adjusted return for most developers. However, two reasons stand out for way they might build anyway: the lack of functionality and the risk of relying on a particular vendor. I hope you understand, everyone. And now, look at this, everyone. The problem of trust. Live service technology is a trust business. This product can control the destiny of a game. Even small amounts of downtimes can result in massive losses, and an outright failure to scale can be catastrophic to a new launch. As noted above, platform can come and go. Even large platform owner like Amazon does not guarantee continuity, as thousands of game learned when GameSpark was discontinued. Okay. And now, so look at this, everyone. So a decentralized system is one which dependencies are distributed amongst and variety of service provider to that those who depend on the services aren't exposed to risks if any one them discontinue services or chance their businesses. Modern decentralization addresses the problem of centralized dependencies such as those inherent in the backend service providers discusses above. Beamball is a code-based software as a service SaaS product that help developers rapidly implement and deploy live services for their game. The platform has added more distributed and decentralized infrastructure, including a private cloud version that allow to software stack to be deployed of a game self-hosted infrastructure. Beam Bubble intended are fully decentralized, and Microservices and architecture are distributed to a network of independent node operators. This has been done in the past for projects like SETI at the rate home and folding at the rate home, where the under realistic computational capacity in everyday computers was hardest to search for externalizing and live installation and diseases, and indeed during the early month of the COVID-19 pandemic, folding at the rate home and aggregated compute from enough computers to create to 1.5 exaflop virtual supercomputer, and VMware will aggregate and user computational and capacity to the same from computer gaming, freeing game developers from reliance to centralized tech, expensive backend builder and the whims of larger infrastructure companies. These benefit developers in multiple ways, and the risks by giving developers a network of standardized services provider scaled by distributed gaming workload over the diversified network of mood operators and interoperate and grow to ecosystem and interoperable software that share the same compute development and scale our architecture. I hope you understand everyone, and just also like, follow and share everyone. And BMB architect and idle such a network and already built around highly scalable microservice, and which means and distributed on architecture and software and module and aggressive network and virtual mechanism infrastructure. I hope you understand everyone. And also you can ask me any question, and everyone please write the comment section. Okay, in this project I'm definitely explain our this project what's about in this page and white paper also. And additionally, BMB has the advantage of deep investment and in workflow and tooling that accelerated adoption. This including an SDK to utility. Okay, and workflow and this utility unreal that and makes easy to create server code for game of metaverse application within the native audience environment. I hope you understand everyone. And the next, and decentralized and physical infrastructure networks. Whereas donating computational time and appropriate and of a non-profit project like folding at the red home. And many others need a commercial solution that incentivizes computer operators to join network. Blockchain is an ideal framework for distributing and implementing such project by providing an accountability and composability layer while leaving the actual workload to the technologies based suited to those tasks. Today, there are decentralized physical infrastructure network deepin project for various applications that require specialized infrastructure. The projects are built around high performance tech stack where blockchain provide an counting and compensation mechanism. Example include and now Helium install Wi-Fi router anywhere you want network. Subscribers can access the internet thought your device, and they will pay you in the network currency for making it available. So data network, a decentralized cloud for media, AI and entertainment that distribute video streaming across individual node operators and has a computational service that has implemented protein folding within their network. Okay, it's very good. And Ether harness could base GPUs to enable rendering code-based gaming and AI application. Akash, allow user to provision to list servers from the decentralized cloud, deepen flywheel and composability, and then establish demand, and then next technology background. I hope you understand, everyone. In the life cycle of games development and operation, a developer must code new feature and create rules at content etc from the authoring environment that each contributor in accustomed to build code content and data into servers and client binaries takes built with an individual workstation testing environment playtesting servers etc and integrate change from multiple developers, including coders, artists, and designers, and deploy changes to different environment up to and including production, operate the live game, live ops, event promotion, economy, etc. Monitor result, cost, and performance. Plan from the result and plan for the next set of feature, code, and content. BMB software is an integrated platform for facilitating every step of the games. BMB tech stack. The core of BMB technology is a framework that brings game development in 3D engines such as Unity and Unreal to the processes required for live services games. BMB does this by allowing game developers to author inside the native editors of their preferred 3D engine and add custom server code that side by side with their client code. This integrated approach means that code authoring, debunking, development, scale out, and live operation are treated as the continuous and integrated processes, relieving developers of the need to stitch together numerous tools. An example for the BMB approach to game development is how easily it's to create, debug, and deploy server code directly from within your 3D engine in this example. And developers is writing security side within their server code and micro roles the calculating the damage for a spell, coordinating state in the multiplayer game, changing players inventory of anything else you can imagine can be separated into distinct functions. These functions may be involved invoked by client or from server to server request. In variable game logic in to process paradigms in which server code in organized in this that may be independently changed, deployed, and released. An advantage is that multiple developers can work on a complex code base with more precise separation of responsibilities, and the testing the realized part of game development lifecycle become more manageable. So I hope you understand, everyone, and now just look at this, everyone. So auto scaling, BMB automate the scaling of microservice containers, leveraging a mixture of a demand and sport instance of optimized. It is scaled to additional server instance based on average compute use. Distributed actors are other technology that BMB utilize in the tech stack to execute a stateful workload every efficiently. These workloads are critical to many game application, e.g. game vault making leaderboards, tournaments, etc. Combining this within decentralization will allow to all class of advanced decentralized capabilities to be run efficiently. So they are generally created in most one place within the memory of an actor host and process. This is a powerful paradigms for concurrency and distributed system as the enables highly stateful workloads to be executed efficiently. The data doesn't have to be unloaded to reloaded with each request, and it can be structured for optimal read write access. And furthermore, actors are created or relocated to a host to the requester. Now BNB tokens. Tokens are used to exchange value between service providers to operators of physical infrastructure used to compute and the game the pay of their services. As noted previously, it all provides a mechanism for independent software developers to deploy code into ecosystem, allowing them to add new capabilities to game developers while capturing a royalty in exchange for their work. As the services are used to the network and ecosystem fee as added to payment, which in the remove from circulation and place into a project treasury. I hope you understand everyone, and also you can ask me any question everyone. So please write the comment section, okay? I hope you understand everyone. And then as developers, a developer is the creator of any microservice code, the code of BMB, which creates of the step microservice of range of capabilities of a third-party developers who create microservices for the game developers ecosystem to use. So I hope you understand everyone. Please also this related any question, write the comment section. Definitely explain the market sentiment. I mean this project situation. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So I hope you understand everyone. আচ্ছা দেখ মনে যাও তাহলে কাজ করতে কম্পিউটার আমি রাইতে বাড়াম না যাইতে যাইতে করে দাঁড়াও So protocol rules value exchange are implemented thought smart contract. Several rules exist within the protocol implementation. I hope you understand everyone. And developers, games, work on nodes, and then router nodes, checker nodes, everything is here everyone. And now next, incentives mechanism. So now everyone just look at this. Staking dynamics the system and designed to require a minimum stake by BMB for the nodes, complemented by delegated staking and broader community participation in network security and governance. Checker nodes receive rewards to ensure data integrity with tiered rewards that adjust based on performance, maintaining high standards for service quality. I hope you understand everyone. And now look at this. Compute credited. Okay, it's very good. And next, tokenomics and unlock schedules. BMB token information. The ticker for a BMB network token is BMB. Once unlocked, there will be maximum supply of 1 billion BMB network BMB tokens. TGA tokens generation event is currently expected in the second half of 2025. Community node incentives. The largest share of the BMB token supply allocated community and nodes incentives. This includes these subcategories, and 30% of total BMB supply of 1 billion BMB is allocated for node incentives. 10% of this, i.e. 3% of the total supply is unlocked and TGE, with the remainder and emitted in linearly over 60 months. Specifically, checker nodes are allocated 10% of the total BMB supply. Worker nodes are allocated 10% of the total BMB supply, and the remaining 10% of the in the first 12 months following TGE. This later reserve will be used as bonus rewards for checker nodes. Okay, it's a very good. And then now in additional to base rewards for network participation, checker nodes which participate in the staking with the protocol will receive BMB token or revenue share from the protocol in the first 12 months. The network governing and communities will be set revenue share split each month, with the maximum up to 10% total network revenue. The maximum always being at least 5% of total network revenue. 2% of the total supply has been reversed for Airdrop. The token associated with this will be unlocked for the foundation at this TGE and rewards for distributed according to the rules of each Airdrop season. Okay, very good. And DAO Treasury ecosystem. there's not an are allocated to the foundation for its operations, supporting the health of the protocol and for investment in the ecosystem growth. These tokens are unlocked at 25% at the TGE and then linearly over 24 months. And core team advisors and investors. The core team advisors and investors share an identical network. Unlock schedule 10% 1 year from TGE and then linearly over the next 24 months. And the liquidity and token launch. These tokens will be issued by a BMB network token launch platform as unlocked at this TGA. Next is taking. You become an active participant in BMB network decentralized infrastructure by staking BMB to help power workload and reward and shape the future of on-chain compute. Will be taxed BMB will earn competitions will stakers share directly in network revenue and node incentives. Worker and checker notice participants earn weekly reward revenue shared from game workload and bonus emissions. Reward can be auto stake letting your position growth every week. Like reward unlock gradually helping stabilize token supply and project long-term holders. I hope you I hope you understand everyone. And now look at this. Compute credited. Okay, a developer is the creator of any microservice code, the code of BMB, which creates of the step microservice of range of capabilities of a third-party developers who create microservices for the game developers ecosystem to use. So I hope you understand everyone. Please also this related any question, write the comment section. Definitely explain the market sentiment. I mean this project situation. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So I hope you understand everyone. So protocol rules value actions are implemented thought smart contract. Several rules exist within the protocol implementation. I hope you understand everyone. And developers, games, work on nodes, and then router nodes, checker nodes, everything is here everyone. And now next, incentives mechanism. So now everyone just look at this. Staking dynamics, the system and designed to require a minimum stake by BMB for the nodes, complemented by delegated staking and broader community participation in network security and governance, checker nodes receive rewards to ensure data integrity with tiered rewards that adjust based on performance, maintaining high standards for service quality. I hope to understand everyone. And now look at this compute credited. Okay, it's very good. And next, tokenomics and unlock schedules. BMB token information. The ticker for a BMB network token is BMB. Once unlocked, there will be maximum supply of 1 billion BMB network BMB tokens. TGA tokens generation event is currently expected in the second half of 2025. Community node incentives. The largest share of the BMB token supply allocated community and nodes incentives. This includes these subcategories, and 30% of total BMB supply of 1 billion BMB is allocated for node incentives. 10% of this, i.e. 3% of the total supply, is unlocked and TGE, with the remainder and emitted in linearly over 60 months. Specifically, checker nodes are allocated 10% of the total BMB supply. Worker nodes are allocated 10% of the total BMB supply, and the remaining 10% of the in the first 12 months following TGE. This later reserve will be used as bonus rewards for checker nodes. Okay, it's a very good. And then now in additional to base rewards for network participation, checker nodes which participate in the staking with the protocol will receive BMB token or revenue share from the protocol in the first 12 months. The network governing and communities will be set revenue share split each month, with the maximum up to 10% total network revenue. The maximum always being at least 5% of total network revenue. 2% of the total supply has been reversed for Airdrop. The token associated with this will be unlocked for the foundation at this TGE and rewards for distributed according to the rules of each Airdrop season. Okay, very good. And DAO treasury ecosystem. There's not an are allocated to the foundation for its operations, supporting the health of the protocol and for investment in the ecosystem growth. These tokens are unlocked at 25% at the TGE and then linearly over 24 months. And core team advisors and investors. The core team advisors and investors share an identical network unlock schedule 10% 1 year from TGE and then linearly over the next 24 months. And the liquidity and token launch. These tokens will be issued by a BMB network token launch platform as unlocked at this TGA. Next is taking. You become an active participant in BMB network decentralized infrastructure by staking BMB to help power workload and reward and shape the future of. So right now I'm close in my project. So goodbye everyone, and also take care of yourself. Okay, bye bye. Take care everyone, and you know that
So I'm your manager, Bossman, and bye bye everyone.